We are at Roundtable Recording Company in Indianapolis, Indiana. I would say that we started education because we felt that we can do it different. You're taught by people that do this day in and day out. Combined 40 plus years, have worked with national artists, multi-platinum records.
Being an engineer is multifaceted. It's not just the skill set that you have. Project management, communication, interpersonal skills, like our practice sessions, our lab work, our class sessions that we have, they're all geared towards you doing this in the real world. All of our education programs are tailored towards a career path.
It blows my mind that I spent X amount of dollars at a 4-year facility and didn't get the experience that I got at Roundtable for a fraction of the cost and a fraction of the time.
So whether you're coming into the program with no experience, whether you've got a home studio or you've been producing artists for a while now, we can help you refine your skills. We are here to push you, to challenge you.
The education is one thing, the connections are another. When you talk about sync deals, TV deals, movie deals, Netflix, Telemundo, MTV, Catfish, all that stuff.
Hearing doors open up and music blaring out into the hallways, just that like excitement and energy. The normal education facility just doesn't have that same life like Roundtable.
That's what we're here for. If you want to be an engineer, we'll help you get to that next level. If you want to be a full-time music production person, we'll help you get to that. So please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Jump out there. If this is something that you want to do it.